organizations must begin to pay closer attention to the MITRE ATT&CK framework in the face of increasingly sophisticated multi-purpose malware, says a report from breach and attack simulation specialist Picus Security. The study found that 1/3 of malwares are capable of exhibiting over 20 techniques, tactics, and procedures, as enumerated by the MITRE ATT&CK framework, and on average, malware leverage 11 TTPs, with 10% exhibiting more than 30. Experts believe these advanced Swiss Army malware are funded by deep-pocketed ransomware cartels, who are trying to adapt to advances in behavior-based detection measures. These sophisticated malwares can open up a huge threat surface and enable criminals to steal credentials, encrypt data, and move through networks undetected, making them a serious risk. Picus identified the most widely used MITRE ATT&CK TTPs as T1059 Command and Scripting Interpreter, T1030OS Credential Dumping, T1486 Data, Encrypted for Impact, T1055 Process Injection, T1082 System Information Discovery, T1021 Remote Services, T1047 Windows Management Instrumentation, T1053 Scheduled Task Job, T1497 Virtualization Sandbox Evasion, T1018 Remote System Discovery. To combat these malwares, security teams must adapt to prioritize the detection of the most commonly used TTPs and continually evaluate their cyber controls. This will help ensure attention and resources are targeted in the areas that have the most potential impact. Furthermore, organizations should leverage MITRE ATT&CK to identify the threat actors that are behind the malware and better manage their risks.